Dance, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. Good day, good morning, good afternoon. Happy New Year. All right, y'all. Here goes another great hair video, okay? Before we do this video, okay, I want you to basically wait for the whole video, okay? Wait till the end. I have a nice surprise for you towards the end. But here is the hair. I'm going to talk about two wigs, okay? Two wigs installments in this video. Rewind. The first step, as you saw, you need to nurture the wig, okay? Before you put it on your head, you need to comb your wig, nurture it, condition it, make sure it looks good, okay? And after that, y'all, you need to put on your wig cap. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Dawn, why do you always tell us to put on a wig cap, wig cap, wig cap? The reason is because it will mimic your scalp. Do I need to repeat myself? It will mimic your scalp. You know how our scalp is lighter, so if you put the wig on without a wig cap, it's just gonna the roots of the wig is going to look dark, and that's not real. Okay, now here goes the hair. I love this part. I love when I do this. This is the hair and this is the wig. Okay, I'm just trying to position it how I want to position it. As y'all know, your sister girl got a 7 head. She got a 7 head, y'all. So I'm trying to see how big or how small I want my forehead to look. So once you position the wig how you want it to be positioned, the next step is to glue it, okay? As you can see here, I am gluing the hair. She's gluing it. So I put on the glue and I put on the hair, and I'm just trying to put down the baby hair. Okay, just put down the front. And this is in cool setting. You could use glue or you could use spray, whichever one. Okay, so you spray it and then you put it down. And then you do your little baby hair however you want to do it. Okay? Got it? Are you guys clear on steps 1, 2, 3? Who's taking notes? Drop a comment. Drop a comment if you have any questions. All right, like I said, I am not a hairstylist. I am a girl who self-taught myself how to install my wigs. And if y'all want to save some money, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be perfect for you. Now, once you do that, okay, once you install your wig, you have to put the headband on. Put your headband on while you do your makeup. Boom. Okay, so after I do my makeup, I take off the headband and look how laid, okay, that the wig looks. Look at the roots, look at the edges, look how wonderfully it looks. It looks just like it's mine. FYI, the lighter the edges are, the more you pluck the hair, okay, the more natural your roots will look. Okay, now this is another wig. Okay, so I wanted to do two wigs. Now this is another wig. This is my kinky hair. This is my favorite kind of hair. Now rewind the video. The first video was, I believe it was like maybe like a straight Brazilian hair, and this one is my kinky natural girl hair. See the texture? Like I was saying, it takes a little bit of a TLC. You need to flat iron the hair. You need to flat iron it. This is how the hair looks like when it's flat ironed. Okay, this is before. I just want you guys to see the different textures, okay, before you flat iron it and after. Okay, so this is the hair when I basically have completely flat ironed it. Stay tuned, y'all. We're almost at the end. Let me know if you guys have had a chance to go and click the link that's in my bio. I have a whole link in the description bar to get yourself a copy, to get yourself a kinky wig. Okay, y'all? Now, this is me and my 7 head and everything, okay? I am stretching myself. I am getting ready to install the wig, y'all. It takes a while, so I had to do some exercise, some head exercise to get ready. You ready? Let's count to what? 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Yes. Yes, y'all. Yes. She's feeling herself right there. She is feeling herself. If you would like your very own wig just like this, click on the link, enter your email, y'all. Y'all, I need y'all to enter your email, be part of my mailing list, and I'm going to send you the link of where I got this wig from. Okay, you don't want to miss it. Yes.